Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will continue modeling because I left off the shape we left off in the previous tutorial. So let's continue. I'm gonna be hiding this this piece. Just I'm going to add circle to model another piece. Shift A. Let's add circle just like this. Rotate it on the X axis by 90 degrees like this. So tap into edit mode, switch to vertex selection mode, then extrude it on the Y axis. Hit A to select everything, so let's scale it just to be a little bit good and accurate for our modeling. Just I want to model, so let me show you what I want to model using the annotate tool. I want to model the shape like this and surround and go in and connecting to our first piece, and I'm going to make a hole cutting through our shape as shown here. I will show you how to make it step by step and discussing some topology issues, and the overall shape is going to connect to the first piece that I have hidden earlier. Let's go forward. Let's go ahead to show you the detail. Shift A, I'm gonna be adding another circle. Just rotate it on the y-axis 90 degrees. So just scale it up tiny bit, then grab it on the y-axis, move it to this area over here. So let's just zoom in. I'm going to extrude it on the x-axis. So just I'm gonna be making a shape and extrude it. This shape is similar to a cylinder, but it's a small cylinder. So just rotate, pivot around, then extrude it on the x-axis like this. Hit 1 for the front view. Hit L, then grab it on the x-axis and make it symmetrical to this on x-axis. So let's continue. Ctrl R, I want to add another loop cut. It's going through these two. It's going between these two edges. Ctrl R. Let's add loop cut. Alt S. I'm going to scale it up. Just like this. I think it's not bad. Let me show you how to connect this shape and this, to connect this object and this object by applying the topology rules and trying to connect the vertices and make it smoother. So let me explain something very interesting, because in some cases you will get a lot of mistakes and you can commit a lot of mistakes. So in this case, how to connect these two shapes as shown here. Circle with the 22 vertices, and I have selected 22 vertices on this shape in order to make them compatible with each other. So we have this bridge loft menu. I used the loop tools add-on in order to make a bridge in between these two vertices, just like this. You can play around with segments, you add segments, but I don't need to add the segments because it's gonna be deforming our shape we want to create. So you should twist it, because at the first time when adding a bridge is gonna be set it to by default value, which is twist 0. So just change the value to -3 in order to get compatible and the shape we want to make uniformly. So I think it's good. Leave it as it is. So I'm going to select this vertex. I'm going to let's select the inner vertex in between these two edges, going inside this bridge. Let's select, hold down Control. So let's delete those vertices to make that gap, to make it better. So let's see what we have. I think this topology, it's not bad. Just leave it circle as shown here. In case where you can model screwdriver, it's the same thing, but it's something much more trickier. You should take it in consideration. Just switch to X-ray. I want to extrude it on y-axis. I think should extrude it much more, make it longer. Then so let's play around with some vertices and values. So let's see what we have here. If we have some topology issues, I think it's not bad, but sometimes you would like to add some loop cuts. Shift so cancel or let's add some loop cuts over here. Control or Control Z. We don't need to add that much more, because that's going to disturbing the topology distribution. I think it's fine. So let's see how can we. So I think I should fill this up. Because going like a gap and it's bad. So I will try to fill it again. I tried to add some loop cuts. Let me show you some separate loop cuts at this edge and at this corner also for this part. Over here, I tried to fill this gap over there. I think it's not bad, and this topology, it's not bad as a thing. So let me see what we have here. I think it's not bad. And that's it for this part. See you in the next tutorial to continue modeling this kitbash3d. Thanks for watching.